Okay guys, behind the scenes of planning a photo shoot. At this point in my career, I've done enough photo shoots to know that if you don't pre-plan very well in a very organized manner, it's going to be a clusterfuck, okay? Step one is to figure out exactly what you're trying to shoot. Don't try and shoot too many things. So for this shoot, we're doing a lifestyle shoot. You want to create a very specific run of show. What does that mean? You want to know what model is wearing what outfit with what accessories and in what location. If you are doing a shoot but you're shooting in a few different locations, everything needs to be planned in advance to perfection so that it can get done quickly and efficiently. Even though people like to see the behind the scenes chaos, at the end of the day when you're putting that advertisement out, the less post editing you need to do, the better. If you're doing an all-day shoot, that's a very serious shoot, you probably want to have a hair person on set. You always need someone other than the photographer behind the camera to make sure that everything is copacetic and in order. The photographer can only see the lens to his camera. He's not looking if your lip gloss is reapplied, if you have hair, flying away. You want to always make sure to have a comb, hairspray, big musts for a photo shoot. If you're on low budget and you weren't once upon a time a serious shopaholic and you need clothing, I suggest reaching out to other brands who are also in need of content and say, hey, I'm doing a shoot. Would you be willing to loan me 5 looks? In exchange, I will provide you with professional, photos, professional video content. You can barter if you'd like, but these are all value adds for all companies. All companies need content, so see what brands you can collaborate with to save you guys as much money as possible. Collaboration is key to life. So behind the scenes of a photo shoot, stay tuned for the final product.